Today we are going to go and fit the Van Guardian exterior alarm. First we pop this out, as easy as that. So you get this wet wipe with each one to clean the area before you stick. So I'm going to clean, make sure there's no grime in there. We peel this off, it comes off very simple, and then we stick it and get it straight like that. And then you take this tool, what comes with it, and you just make sure everything's stuck on. So when you take the alarm box, you've got this plastic that you just give a pull. That should set it off like it has. There you go. And then make sure it's the right way up. And then we just slot that in. See that? Then we put these 4 screws, 2 in each side. Make sure they're lined up. Just make sure these screws are lined up when you start screwing. That's all 4 screws in both sides done.
2 per side, yeah?
2 per side, yes. And then we just clip on the cover. So, done. And there you are, fully installed by myself.
What was that, about 5 minutes?
Yes. We're now putting on the last cover. Click. And we'll go around the van, show you.
There's 1 and 2 on the back doors.
1 on the passenger door, that I told you before, on the driver's door, and the big one on the side door.
Be honest, what did you think of the install? It took us about half an hour, maybe 40 minutes, didn't it?
Fairly easy. Some of the screws was not the best quality, shall we say. They took a bit of threading getting in, but we got there.
So remember to pull the plastic tabs out.
Yeah, remember to pull the plastic tabs out.
And also, we made a bit of a mistake. We put this very close to the handle, so getting the screwdriver in was difficult. So we had to get a different screwdriver bit. Just next time, maybe move it a little bit further away from the handle. Anything else?
No, that's all for now. We've got some little jobs to do.
See if it works.
We got the extra fob with the cover on it. Again, we're not sponsored. Just pull that down and let's lock it. Just click twice. There you go. Let's try the door handle. And I panicked and cancelled it as quick as I could.
That was deafening, wasn't it? Brilliant, really good.
You put the panel here. This is like the I call it the panic panel. You're in the van on your own overnight, so you hear something, you can just press the panel and it'll set the alarm off, and that will deter anybody trying to.
You heard how loud it was.
Yeah.
We also got the additional fob, like we said earlier, so you can keep 1 in the bedroom and 1 near the door. If we have any problem, we just hit panic.
Yeah.
We can also arm, disarm, or send out a warning beep.
Yeah.
Which we won't now because there's people in the pool next to us.
Yeah.
All in all, 30, 45 minutes, something like that. Really simple, really good deterrent. Especially good for us with wild camping, isn't it, I think? For wild camping.
Job done. Job done.